Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay on eBay. First, ensure Apple Pay is set up on your iPhone or other Apple device, with a valid credit or debit card linked. Next, make sure your eBay app is updated to its most recent version. Finally, double-check that your shipping address and contact information within your eBay account are accurate and current. This foundational setup takes just a few moments. Once you have found the perfect item on eBay, whether through a Buy It Now listing or by winning an auction, simply proceed to the checkout page. Here, you will see a summary of your order, including the item price and shipping costs. Look for the Apple Pay logo among the payment options and select it. This choice streamlines your transaction significantly. After selecting Apple Pay, a secure prompt will appear, displaying your purchase details. Carefully review this information to ensure everything is correct. Then, you will authorize the payment using your preferred method, such as Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your device passcode. This secure step typically takes only a second or two. Once authorized, you will receive instant confirmation that your payment was successful. For a smooth experience, always keep your device's operating system and the eBay app updated to their latest versions. If you encounter any issues, first check your internet connection and confirm your linked payment card details are current. Should problems persist, do not hesitate to reach out to eBay's customer support team for personalized assistance. They are available to help resolve any payment difficulties you might experience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.